Fellow UTME students, welcome once again to SOLUBILITY lab with a possible UTME problem on the board that says 25 grams of potassium chloride was dissolved in 80 grams of distilled water at 30 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility of the solute in mole per dm cubed. The solution is presented. The molar mass of potassium chloride. First of all, this is the chemical formula. Potassium chloride, KCl. And then the molar mass is gotten by adding the atomic mass of potassium and chlorine. When you add them up, you get 74.5. Is that clear? Then mole. The formula for mole is mass over molar mass. And the mass given to us is 25 grams of potassium chloride. So it is the numerator here. Then the denominator of the molar is the molar mass, which we have gotten here. Is that clear? You get 0.336. What about the volume of water? The volume here of water, the formula for solubility is mole over volume. But the volume we are looking for is the volume of the solvent. So that's what we want to get here, volume of water. It is equal to mass over density. Remember this formula, density equals mass over volume. So when you cross multiply, bring volume up here, and then return density as the denominator. That's the formula we are using here. Volume of water equals mass over density. What is the mass of water given to us from the problem on the board? 80 grams of distilled water. And then, what is the density of water? According to chemistry literature, the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 gram per cm cubed. Again, according to chemistry literature, the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is 1 gram per cm cubed. That's why I'm putting this 1 gram per cm cubed here to divide the 80 grams, and that brings us down to 80 cm cubed as the volume of these 80 grams of distilled water given to us. Is that clear to you? But the water, that is the solvent, we are not going to use it in cm cubed. We are going to use it in decimeter cubed. So what do? We divide 80 by 1000, and that gives us 0.08 decimeter cubed of the solvent, which is the water. Is that clear to you? Then we come down to the last formula. Solubility equals mole over volume. The mole we have gotten it to be 0.336, which is the numerator here. And the volume of the solvent has been gotten to be 0.08. Is that clear? With your calculator, remember, the JAM CBT has a simple calculator you can use in app. So you touch it and then use it to divide this, and you obtain 4.2 mole per dm cubed. Is that clear to you? Do you still have any challenge as you prepare for your UTME? Feel free to let SOLUBILITY lab know about it, so that subsequently we'll look at that problem in our subsequent classes. Thank you.